Today we have with us the XC40 Recharge, and one feature about this car really blows my mind, and that is the way to start or stop this car. Because the thing is, in this car you do not get any start or stop button. The car is intelligent enough to sense the key, and as soon as it does, it turns on the displays, it puts it into accessory power, turns on the AC, turns everything on. And in terms of starting the car, all you need to do is press the brake, put the car into drive or reverse, and then drive off. Similarly, if you want to turn off the car, just press P for parking and the car just turns itself off, and then you can leave your car without any hassle. How amazing is that?